3.2 Activity time. Let's play. Read aloud. Sakshi's box. Sakshi found a big box. She opened it. There was a fairy and some paints in the box. "Hello, Sakshi. Shall we do some painting?" asked the fairy. She gave Sakshi a paintbrush. First, they painted with violet and indigo colors. Then, they painted with blue and green colors. And then, they painted with yellow, orange and red colors. Sakshi said, "Look at our rainbows." "Will your parents like our rainbows?" asked the fairy. "Yes," said Sakshi. "My parents will like our rainbow pictures and will say, 'You have made a beautiful painting.'" The fairy smiled and hugged Sakshi. Sakshi said goodbye to the fairy.